In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create new lists in Freshsales. Creating a new list in Freshsales is really about building a filtered view, then saving that view so you can return to it anytime. This is useful when you regularly work a specific group of leads or contacts, like people in a certain city or prospects in a particular industry. To begin, look at the left sidebar in Freshsales. Click either leads or contacts, depending on the type of list you want to create. Choose leads if you are organizing potential customers who have not been qualified yet, and choose contacts if you are organizing people who are already in your database as contacts. Once you are in the correct section, you should see the full list on the main screen. Next, go to the top right area of the page and click the filter icon. It looks like a funnel. This opens the filter bar where you can narrow down the records you are viewing. Now click Add Filter. You will be able to choose your criteria. For example, you might set a filter where city is New York. You can select the field you want to filter by, choose the condition, and then enter or select the value. Take a moment to confirm the filter matches what you intend, because the list you save will be based on these exact settings. When your criteria are set, click Apply. Freshsales will refresh the list and show only the records that meet your filter conditions. It is a good idea to quickly scan the results to make sure they look correct before saving. If something seems off, adjust the filter and apply again until it is right. Once the filtered results are showing, look at the bottom of the filter bar. You should see a button labeled Save View as. Click that button to turn this filtered view into a reusable list. In the Save window, enter a clear name for your list. Use a name that describes the criteria so it is easy to find later. Then choose the visibility setting. Select Just Me if this list is only for your personal workflow, or select Everyone if you want your team to access it as well. Finally, click Save. After saving, your new list will be available as a saved view, so you can switch back to it anytime without rebuilding the filter. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.